It's day 3 of Computex 2023 and looks super jam-packed today also, guys. Lots of people over here, and we're at 4th floor right now at Nanyang Exhibition Center, and we have landed at ASUS and ROG booth over here. These guys have like super big booths. We have ASUS booth on the left side and a big ROG booth on the right side. So we will be first going inside and checking out the ROG store. We've got like so many products displayed over here. So guys, we are here at ROG's booth and we actually have something very interesting to check out. This is ROG's brand new Ally handheld gaming console, and she's gonna talk about the product. So I'll hand it over to you.
Yeah, hi. So I'm Ling, and this is ROG Ally. It's our new gaming handheld that runs Windows 11, and it's powered by up to AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, and it's built on Zen 4 architecture combined with the AMD RDNA 3 graphics, which allows a full 1080p gaming with excellent smoothness.
Handheld portable size, like how cool is that?
Yes, and also since it runs Windows 11, so basically you can play all your games from any other stores, like including the Steam and Xbox Game Pass and EA app and many other stores. Yes.
Can we have like a closer look at the product? So boys, we got our hands on the ROG Ally. This is how it's look like. So is it available in different colors?
Not only
one.
Yeah.
So we get it only in like white edition. And just have a closer look at the product. What's the screen size over here?
7 inch.
7 inches.
Yes.
It's a touch screen.
Okay.
So we're getting like a 7-inch touchscreen IPS panel, and it's like full touch. I mean, look at the whole section over here. Very cool. Okay, what sort of buttons do we have? Can you just show in the video and talk about it?
So here are the joysticks, and here you can have the ABXY buttons, and here we have a 4 default buttons.
Wow, just like Xbox control, all sort of buttons.
Yes, and all the button layout is above the half of the device, so it will be easier to reach. And here we have the as he's saying, guys, all the buttons are like very easily accessible, quite conveniently placed. We've got some triggers and bumpers as well at the top. You know, just like having a gamepad in your hand, the experience is like quite seamless and convenient. And here's how the back of the product looks like. You have a big ROG logo and the whole streamlined design as well. Are these vents for air circulation? And yes, we have dual fan configurations.
Okay, nice. Dual fans on the inside. Very nice. And what about the storage?
The storage is 512.
512 GB of built-in storage. And is it expandable?
Yes.
It is expandable using a micro SD?
Yes, here we have the micro SD slot. It's MHS2.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That is actually nice. You can even expand the storage using a micro SD at the top over here. And you do have like an audio jack as well, so you can plug in your headphones, earphones or anything and enjoy the experience.
Yes.
You have speakers as well, right? Stereo front-facing speakers. So it's like a full-on package in your hand. Let's check out the gaming experience as well. What game are we playing right now?
Ghost Runner.
Ghost Runner. Okay. And can we access the game graphic settings? How do we do that?
Okay. To be honest, I don't know how to play Ghost Runner.
No worries. Even I'm not a pro at this. So let's just go into the settings and check it out ourselves. Okay, in the video section. So these are your video sections. The resolution right now is 1200 by 720, and all the graphics are set to like epic and high level. So basically ROG's Ally is a handheld Windows 11 portable gaming PC powered by AMD Zen 4 Ryzen Z1 CPU and RDNA 3 graphics. Initial impressions, display looks great, 7-inch IPS LCD touch display, 1080p resolution with 100% sRGB color gamut, 500 nits of brightness and around like 7 milliseconds of response time. You're getting 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM paired with PCI Gen 4 SSD, so gaming experience seems very decent from the demo game I played over there. Again, though, this is something we'll be able to talk about in depth when we'll get our hands on for a longer period back at my place. Build quality also looks nice, entire aluminum chassis and weighs only around 608 grams, so quite convenient for gamers. As I've told you, it's like a full-on package in pocket size. beautiful display, stereo speakers, next gen AMD Ryzen hardware, and all of this runs on a 40 watt-hour battery pack on the inside, which roughly gives you around like 2 hours of battery backup. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that was our very first look at ROG Ally handheld gaming console from the brand. It's like super awesome, guys. Can't wait to check it out in our Indian market.